Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you the new alternative of Microsoft Whiteboard but with Windows 11 design. So here is, we need to search for Flowpad on Microsoft Store that's made by Firecube Studios and install and open. And here is version 5.2 and here is the app with Windows 11 design and with dual accent color and glow effect. Here is switch to light and here is in dark mode and here is hand. There is cursor and here is ink and here is color and advanced options, RGB, HCV and text. There is a lot of color options. And here is the brush. Adjust the size like this. And there is another brush. And there is highlight. And ink. And here is the eraser. And there is select. And you can move the ink. And here is the ruler. And you can switch to protractor. And see the degree. Then you can edit the layer size like this, 1920 and 1080 to be in full screen mode. And there is grid view, and there is grid line options, toggle grid line, snap X, snap Y, freeform. There is enable disable. There is zoom in and here is zoom out. And here is ink advanced settings, tell disabled, and here is we have a brochure. Here is we can delete the ink. And here is the settings. Pin to start screen, pin to taskbar. Yes. Here is what's new. Here is we can save, open ink file, or open with File Explorer, or save ink file, save ink file via File Explorer, export as image, print, or share ink file. So simply it's a very useful app, and you can create your own ink with a lot of adjustable settings and colors with modern design. But you can't share or use with your friends on the same time like Microsoft Whiteboard, because Microsoft Whiteboard use your account to link with your friends or your mates. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.